Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, TGT Maths from Karno's Brightland Public School, your maths teacher. And today I am going to teach you lesson number 4, class 7, exponents and power. Before starting, I want to ask you some readable number you can easily note down in words as well as pronounce it. For example, this number is called, all the student can easily pronounce this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 12,500. Clear? This number is also read easily: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. You can read easily 10 lakh in Indian system. This number is also ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 1 crore, etc. But sometime you will face some difficulty to read this kind of number. These are, for example, the distance between the sun and the earth is like this. How will you pronounce it? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 million, 100 billion, 149 billion 600 million meter away the sun from the earth. But when this kind of number arises, how can you read this? Now this is the non-readable number for us. How can we read this number on easy way? That's why we are going to understand the lesson number 4, exponents and power. What is the role of exponent and power in our daily life? This is more important. This chapter will understand us the concept of base and power. Clear? And the field where this kind of numbers are used commonly: astronomy, cosmology, demographics, etc. So student, I am going to give some example of exponent and power. This will help you to understand this concept clearly. I hope all of you can watch this video and take it seriously to know the concept of exponent. For example, a number is given like this. What is this? This is a new concept for you in class 7. So we can understand this by understanding two numbers in different form. First, 5. This place is called base. And 6 is called exponent or power or index. Clear? How can we read this? 5 raised to the power of 6. This is the pronunciation of this number. We can read 5 raised to the power 6. This is called power. This is called base. Now, what is exponent? The exponents are used to represent a number which is multiplied many times by itself. For example, here, look here, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 is repeated many times. Here is 6. So we can easily say 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 is repeated how many times? This is 6 times. This is called power. 5 is called base and number of repetition is called exponent or power. Actually the correct product is 15,625. If we product all these 5s, so result will this. But in simplest form you can note down in exponential form of 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 is 5 raised to the power 6. You can take another example, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So you can easily read this. Minus 2 is called base, 1 2 3, 3 is called power, multiply 3 is called base, and 1 2 3 4, 4 times the power of 3. This is the another pronunciation of 3 raised to the power 4 is called fourth power of 3. Here is third power of minus 2. I hope so you all of you understand. Clear? Now student, the next part is comparing numbers in exponential form. General numbers you can compare easily, but in the power form, in exponential form of two number, how can we compare? So first rule is, if the bases are same, look here, in both sides there are 4 is base and powers are different. Look here, this one, if the bases are same and powers are different, then larger power is called greater. Comparing powers 11 and 17, so you can easily find out 17 is greater than 11. So this 4 raised to the power 17 is greater than 4 raised to the power 11. If the bases are same, compare their powers. Second rule is, if the bases are different and powers be same. If bases are different and power be same, similar rule, the greater base is the larger number. Comparing bases, 23 is greater than 17. That's why 23 raised to the power 5 is greater than 17 raised to the power 5. I hope all of you can understand these two rules. But third one, when the bases and powers are different, bases are different and powers also different, so we can solve it. 2 raised to the power 3 can note down 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and 4 raised to the power 2 is called 4 multiply 4. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 and 4 4 ja 16. That's why 16 is greater than 8. So 4 raised to the power 2 is greater than 2 raised to the power 3. I hope you all of you understand these three rules. How can be compared to exponential number.